Well, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Scrappers, scrapettes, and my little scrapeteers. What do we have here? Hope everybody's okay. Hope everybody's good. Yeah. Oh, this is king size. Yeah, it's okay. No problem. She wasn't feeling good, so we had to take it to the mechanic. Yep. She's feeling much better now, so haven't been doing much scrapping. There we go. A little windy today, so bear with me. I don't know if there's going to be anything out here today, but we are going to try to get something. Yeah. Let's just put it in here for right now, and let's continue. We'll see what we do with it in a little bit. All right. Again, we're not really doing too much scrapping today. We're just driving her along, make sure she's okay. So, at the same time, let's go get it. Come on. All right, we were on our way home, and we ran into a washer, dryer, a dryer. So we're gonna put it in here. So let me organize this stuff here for a minute, and we'll get to it. Yes, we will. Of course we will. All right, let's leave it right there. We're gonna tie it down. All right, we're all tied down. Yeah, let's go home. The only thing I wanted to do was really test old Betty. But we got something in there. Yeah, we need it. So let's head on home and get ready for tomorrow morning. All right, we'll see you then. All right. So we got a call from an aluminum guy. Says come get it. We're just home taking the dryer apart. Let's get the aluminum. There it is. Oh, some heavy stuff. She's running okay. Yes, she is. We'll see. It's windy, so sorry for the wind. Wow, that's some thick stuff. That's too heavy. Yeah, I'll show it when I have it all loaded up. We're gonna have plenty. Yes, we are gonna have plenty. All right. So we'll see you in a little bit. Let me load it out. Interview drills. Thick extruded, all extruded, everything. So we're gonna take this home and drop it off, and then we'll see what we do. We got something over here. Looks like an ironing board. Now, ironing board it is. Oh, old-fashioned too. All right, well, no matter. Let's put her in here. There you go. All right, let's take all this home. And like I said, get ready for tomorrow. All right, I know we said we were going home. That's what we said, we were going home. But we're here, right? Might as well. There you go, another piece of metal. Why not? It's there for the taking. So what do we gotta do? We're gonna take it. Well, we got a piece of wire. It's aluminum wire, but we got wire. I strip it just the same. Aluminum and wire. No problem. That's it for that. All right, that is all. Better than nothing. That's all I can say. All right. For the third, I don't know, third, fourth time, let's head on home. Anybody that doesn't know me just thinks I don't want to go home. All right. Yeah, for sure. Now let's ride home. All right. So we got something here. What do we have here? Umbrella. Let's grab us the umbrella. Yes, we are. And we'll take it apart right now. My goodness. Oh. All right, let's put it in our container here. It's not flopping around all the way. There we go. Oh, Betty's acting good. She's a champ. Let's continue. Okay, we got something else here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a bike over there. We got some heavy metal. Thank you. Yes. All right. Definitely, someone will take it. All right, let's see that bike over here. It looks like it could be donated. Broken brakes, but still. Yeah. Ah.
Air conditioners, air conditioners.
All right, we got some stuff here. Let's see what we got here. A home gym. Take a home gym. There we go. Let's fix this. one right there. And we'll put that right in there. I gotta tighten that up a little bit. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, we got one of our favorite items. Nice size TV. Nice size heavy TV. There we are. What else? Sheet metal. I'm gonna have to put this on top of everything, but we're gonna take it. So let's just put it here for right now. There we are. I was gonna fall anyway. Didn't matter. All right. These are gonna fit with no problem. All right. We're gonna flip it inside. Yep. It's a good thing. The weight is gonna go down to the bottom. All right. Oops. Well, that came off. Okay, so now what do we got here? This is going to be brass. All brass. And we'll put it right there. All right, that is good right there. Yeah, we'll fold them in half. There we go. we got here? Big bucket. Big bucket it is. We'll keep it. All right, let's tie all this down. All right, let's see what's sticking out of here. Is it wood or is it metal? It's metal. It is metal. We'll put it right in here. Ain't gonna go nowhere. There we go. What do we got here? Nothing. All right, let's continue. All right, we got some more aluminum. We picked up a lot of aluminum in this trip. Yep, it is aluminum. That's it. No, it's not gonna go in there. Right in there. Let's see what else. All right, we got ourselves another TV. Another huge TV. We're gonna have to put it over here. So let's unhook all this stuff here. Should be able to slide right there. Oof. Oh, there's two of them. Oh my goodness. These suckers are heavy. I can't put the tailgate down, so it's gonna have to go in. I put it in wrong. Okay, no biggie. There we go. Right there. And the next one. This is not that heavy. Got the cord and all. Yeah, it's still heavy. All right. Now we'll tie this down. Sit right there. All right, we had to tie it. Strap broke, but we made a knot. That's not going anywhere. Let's see, we don't have too much to go, but let's see what else we can find. All right, let's see what we got here. Looks like a couple of fishing rods. They might be good. They might not. What is this? Yeah, no picture frames. I don't know. We'll see when we get home. All right, we're done. Let's go to the scrapyard. Let's get rid of this. I got that brass there. I don't know if I'm going to keep the TVs. I might not. I'm not sure right now. And they called us to pick up some other stuff. So let's get rid of this first. Yeah, let's get rid of this. All right, we had to come across the street. Mr. Scrap is going to be closed to the 2nd of December, I think, or something like that. So we'll come over here. All right, we got to wait for the green light. There's our green light. All right, let's get Betty unloaded. Well, it's been a while since I said that. There we go. Might have went back too far. You need me to go forward some? Yeah, I'll go forward a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah, it was too close. Huh?
Legs killing me.
Guys.
Yep.
Unbelievable. Yeah, you gotta be careful when these guys back it up and
Forward to reporters.
yeah.
White bar, right? Yeah.
Huh?
White bar?
Yeah. There we go.
What about this?
Yeah, unhook it there. The whole thing can go. Yeah, it's metal in there, so. Might as well start from scratch.
Okay.
All right, boss man. Thank you. You be careful, man. All right, let's go. That's the only thing good about here. They help you out. Let's go way out. All right, we are out and we can't tell. We can't tell here how much we weigh, so I guess we gotta take their word for it. And if you can let me have a copy, please. Thank you. Have a good one. All right, let's go. Well, all right. 320 pounds at 6 cents a pound. Yeah. $19.20. Yeah, not bad. Thank you. That's all I can say. Thank you to everyone. Old Betty was out of commission for almost 2 weeks. We just got back scrapping. So again, we're trying to hit that 2,000. I know that, you know, it might be able to. No, let's say the truth. We can make it. Yes, we can. So thank you again, and we'll see you on another episode. Trust your Coach Scrapper.